Are you ready for a night where Halloween means hands-on learning?
Beaufort Middle School is excited to be hosting our annual Scream for Stream Family Night on October 30th.
It's our spookiest night of the year, and you won't want to miss out on all the frightful fun.
Students, teachers, and support staff all come together to make this night amazing. Each grade level creates STEAM activities that are running all evening, so everyone can jump in and participate.
And the fun starts right away with performances from our chorus, band, and orchestra ensemble showing off all their hard work.
Dance and theater classes will also take the stage throughout the night.
And don't forget, the haunted house built by our talented 8th grade theater class is spooky and super fun.
Plus, teachers are showing off their Halloween spirit with a door decorating contest. And there's even a costume contest for whoever attends.
So come be a part of the Scream for Stream at Beaufort Middle School October 30th from 5 to 7:30.
We'll see you there,
if you dare.